What's going on, guys? It's Kyle again. Had a long day at work and just got back from hanging out with my family and everything. I picked up these earlier today on my lunch break at work. We have a 2014 Topps Turkey Red. There's one guaranteed autograph in this. And we have 2 boxes of 2014 Totally Certified Football. And there'll be 4 hits in each box of those. But first we're going to start off with our Topps Turkey Red. And this is the security wrap. We got these at Walmart today. Just haven't had the chance to get any from Dave and Adam's Card World. I'd rather not wait on the shipping at the moment right now, or I won't have any money. But we're gonna go a little light. I didn't want to go. Didn't want to go too much. Didn't want to spend too much money right when I got paid. Trying to save up for the card show next year. But let's go ahead and see what we get on in Topps Turkey Red 2014. I'm just gonna flip through all the base if you don't. I'll show you guys what. Shit. Double. This is a little smaller. Same thing. Eric Airburn. Here's our auto. It's Coney Ely. It's not numbered in the Topps Turkey Red for the base autos. I'm not sure if it is anything else. This is just all the base. So here's our one hit. Coney Ely. Okay. Let me put this aside. Get these out the way. I'll go ahead and do a recap at the end of the video too, so you just see what all we got today. Okay, let's see. I don't know which one to do first. Let's see. We'll go with the right first. They put that security tape on real tight, that's for sure. Alright. Four packs. Supposed to be all fancy like this. Yeah, whatever. I'm not very fancy. Alright, let's see here. That's a thickie. I guess they're all pretty they're not too thick, nothing too big. I'll save that for last. That feels the thickest. But yeah, 4 packs, 4 hits on these. Alright then. Decoy in there. Just gonna flip through these guys. Don't want the video too long. So looks like we got an auto. It's numbered to 15. Sam Bradford. Alright. That's pretty cool right there. That's what I'm talking about. Nine of 15. That's a good hit right there. I like it. Get that decoy out the way. These packs are really hard to open for some reason. They're so tight. That's what she said. Alright. Big Ben. It's numbered 100 right here. Chris Johnson. Monte Ball. Just a base jersey. It's not numbered. Shit. All right. This is number to 50. Oh. This is John Brown, summer to 50. And then we got an Austin Safarian Jenkins jersey card. This is number to 50. John Brown. Alrighty. I was saying Bradford was the best hit so far. That was number to 25, so that's pretty. I'm happy about that one for sure. Oh, we got some points here. Don't want to show you all that. 150 points. I wasn't expecting that. I think I may have showed a little bit of my points there, so I'll have to blur that out. Oops. Alright, so here's the first box. Go and cap these off here. So we're a little short on our hits on this box though. Well, I mean, we got the points, but it says we would get 4 hits per box. I don't know why it was cut short on that. That's alright though, we still got another box coming. Here's our inserts. Alright. That was weird. Another box. So yeah, big hit, Sam Bradford auto, number 25. No idea what's going to be in this. Hopefully it's going to be even better, but I mean, of course we hope that, but we never know. So 3 hits in the other box, supposed to be 4. Let's hope we get 4 in this one, or maybe even more. Have you get a hot box? I don't know how many. Wow, that's weird. All the packs are pushed up. I guess that's what happens when you buy them at Walmart. Okay. This is a thickie. I guess it doesn't really matter, guys. Let's go ahead and just switch it up. Alright. Devontae Adams. Rookie patch, a rookie jersey auto. It's not numbered. I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling lucky. I didn't peek, I promise. We got a clear cloth. Oh, wow. Kadeem Carey. 1 of 5. Look at that. That's interesting. Clear cloth. 1 of 5. Alright, let's keep going then. Halfway done. Got 2 more packs right here. 1 of 5 though. Alright. Okay, base. Base. There's a Cordell Patterson. Dang, I always do that. There's Asa Watson base. And that's numbered 50 right there. Then we got a Michael Sam auto. It's not numbered. Yeah, not numbered. Okay, 1 more pack. Just 1 more, sadly. But overall, though, been pretty happy with this. Sam Bradford. Got that, I don't even remember the guy's name, man. I'll do a recap in a minute here. Looks like that's Broncos for the hit. Anyways, base. LaMarcus Joyner, number 50. Base. And then Demaryius Thomas. Just a jersey. Alright. He's good. I got him on my ultimate team. If you guys have Madden 16 or anything, go ahead and add me on Xbox One. We could hit that up. I've been playing a lot, and he's my main wide receiver right now. But yeah, overall it's a pretty good box. I appreciate you guys for watching. Let me get a little recap for you guys. I'll make sure I didn't miss anything. Alright, so here's the Demaryius Thomas. Number to 50. Cordell Patterson. Michael Sam auto. Not numbered. I really like this one. Kadeem Carey. Numbered 1 of 5. It's so interesting. It's a practice jersey. I'm not sure. 1 of 5 though. That's I like that one a lot. And here's Devontae Adams, rookie auto jersey. Marcus Joyner, number to 50. Let me get these other from the last box. And we have, this is number to 100, Chris Johnson. John Brown, number to 50. Save that one for last. Monte Ball, jersey. Not numbered. Austin Seferian Jenkins, jersey. That's not numbered. And one of my favorites, Sam Bradford. Auto. Awesome autographs. 9 of 15. That's a nice one. And then got your 150 points. I'll be using that. And the Coney Ely from Topps Turkey Red. Not numbered. But overall, guys, I think that we did pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed. And you guys have a good night. Sorry for uploading this too late, but just want to get this out the way and upload it. Anyways, yeah, as always, be on the lookout for more uploads. I'm starting to get back to the swing of things. It's going to be even more busy on my channel from now on. But anyways, thanks guys. Have a good night.